Hello.
Hello.
How are you today?
There I am.
Okay, I'm good.
I'm good.
And are you ready? Yes.
There
I
I
am.
am.
High five. Can you tell teacher what letter is this?
Am.
Good.
Apple.
A.
Apple.
Good. Next one. N.
And
Good. Next one. Letter.
bean.
Good. And B.
Apple.
B.
Ball.
Yes. Good. Next one. B.
B.
Ba.
Bus.
Bus. Bus. Okay, next one. What animal is this? It's dog. Dog. It's a dog. Say.
Who?
Very good. What animal is this? It's hen. A hen say. Cluck cluck. Yes. What animal is this? It's a duck. Ooh, it's a duck. And a duck say cluck cluck, quack quack. What animal is this? A goat. And a goat say yes, good. What animal is this? Yes, and a cat say very good. What animal is it? And a cow say good. What animal is this? It's a horse. And a horse say nay. What animal is it? A pig say yes, okay. And high five. Good job.